Operation and functions division. Paano ba mag-divide ng functions? So, sagutan natin yung problem. Given, f of x equals x squared minus 4, g of x equals 5x plus 10, and h of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 10. So, find letter A, f over g of x. For letter B, f over h of x. And for letter C, g over h of x. So, letter A muna tayo. Find f over g of x. So, paano ba to? Equivalent lang siya sa f of x over g of x. Okay? So, parang dinistribute lang natin yung x sa mga function. Okay? Ito, equivalent lang siya sa f of x over g of x. So, i-divide lang natin yung f of x and g of x. Substitute lang natin yung mga value nito. So, f of x equals x squared minus 4. And g of x natin is 5x plus 10. So, dito, i-apply nyo yung knowledge nyo sa factoring. Okay, magpa-factoring tayo dito. So, itong nasa numerator natin, difference of two squares. Perfect square, naka-subtract. Okay, difference of two squares. So, pag ipa-factor natin yan, equivalent lang siya sa factoring difference of two squares. First step, square root ng first term. Square root ng x squared, that's x lang. Then, plus minus is square root ng second term. Square root ng 4, that is 2. So, kung medyo nalimutan nyo na to, review lang kayo kasi magagamit nyo siya dito sa operation on functions. Denominator, mapa-factor ba natin? Common monomial factoring or factoring. Meron silang common factor, that is 5. 5 times 1, ito naman, yung 10 is 5 times 2. So, GCF nila is 5. So, pwede natin siyang i-factor. So, ilabas natin yung 5. Anong matitira dito sa 5x? 5x divided by 5x na lang. Plus 10 divided by 5, that is 2. So, na-factor na natin yung denominator. And then, cancel lang natin yung mga equal terms. So, x plus 2, cancel natin yan. So, matitira na lang is, sa numerator, x minus 2 na lang. Sa denominator, 5 na lang. So, therefore, f over g of x equals x minus 2 over 5.